Let us pray. Almighty God, who in your wisdom and goodness have appointed the offices of leaders and legislative assemblies for the welfare of society and the just government of the people, we beseech you to behold with your abundant favor us your servants, whom you've been pleased to call to the performance of important trust in this republic. Let your blessings descend upon us here assembled, and grant that we treat and consider all matters that shall come under deliberation in so just and faithful a manner as to promote your honor and glory, and to advance the peace, prosperity, and welfare of our country and of those whose interests you have committed to our church. Amen. So good afternoon, honorable members. So we can start our afternoon sitting.
Order number 1, administration of oath.
Proceed, please.
Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Honorable members, under this order, I have a brief communication to do, and the same is on the county government executive staff car and mortgage fund regulations 2022. Honorable members, Article 1851 of the Constitution states that the legislative authority of a county is vested in and exercised by its county assembly. Article 1832 of the same Constitution provides that a county executive may prepare proposed legislation for consideration by the county assembly. The county assembly is in receipt of the Machakos County Executive Staff Car and Mortgage Fund Regulation 2022, dated 3rd February 2022. Honorable members, you appreciate that chaired by the County Assembly Service Board. But the county executive staff.
Yes.
Proceed, please.
Order number 4, petitions.
Proceed.
Order number 5, papers.
Honorable members, under this order, we have one business by Honorable Moses Mita. Honorable Mita.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I wish to lay the following paper on the floor of the House today, 30th March 2022, the report of the Agriculture Committee on the status of Mutituni, Katoloni, and Kimutwa slaughterhouses. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Mr. Clerk, next order.
Order number 6, notices of motion.
Under this order, members, we have again one business by Honorable Moses Mita.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, that aware that the mission for the Department of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries in Machakos County is to promote innovative, commercially oriented, and modern agriculture through development and enactment of enabling legal framework. Aware that Article 183.3 of the Constitution of Kenya provides that the County Executive Committee shall provide the County Assembly with full and regular reports on matters relating to the county. Informed that in the exercise of the functions vested on County Assembly in Article 185.3 of the Constitution, the County Assembly through the Committee of Agriculture requested for the half-year performance report for the Department of Agriculture for the fiscal year 2021-2022. Cognizant that pursuant to Standing Order 195, the committee analyzed the section of the report on the status of Mutituni, Katoloni, and Kimutwa slaughterhouses, conducted site visits, and consequently compiled a report. Honorable Speaker, I wish to give notice of motion that this Honorable House discusses and approves the report of the Committee of Agriculture on the status of Mutituni, Katoloni, and Kimutwa slaughterhouses. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Mita. Mr. Clerk, proceed.
Order number 7, statements.
Proceed, please.
Order number 8, motion, procedural motion.
Honorable members, under this order, we have one business slated to be by the Honorable Mark Mwendo, Majority Leader. I do not see him present, but we have Honorable Kamitu, Minority Leader, who can stand in and prosecute the business. Honorable Kamitu.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. I'm Alex Kamitu, MCA Talaud and leader of minority in this Honorable House. Honorable Speaker, this is a procedural motion. Honorable Speaker, that aware that Article 185, sub 1 of the Constitution vests the legislative authority with the County Assembly, noting that the Machakos County State Officers Retirement Benefit Bill 2022, Kenya Gazette Supplement number 6, Machakos County Bill number 4, was published on 30th March 2022, and aware that Standing Order number 116 requires that a bill on publication should be introduced in the House after the end of 14 days, starting on the date of publication. Aware that 14 days will lapse on 12th April 2022, and the bill can be introduced in the House at the earliest on 13th April 2022. Aware that the House will be adjourning for recess until 3rd May 2022, and that it needs to be committed to a committee for processing during the recess. Honorable Speaker, I wish to move the motion that this House resolves to waive the publication period for the Machakos County State Officers Retirement Benefits Bill 2022 in Kenya Gazette Supplement number 6, Machakos County Bill number 4, as stated in Standing Orders 116, and that the bill be introduced for the first reading today, 30th March 2022. Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I call upon Honorable Mita to second.
Honorable Mita.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I second.
Thank you. So, honorable members, let me propose the question that this House resolves to waive the publication period for the Machakos County State Officers Retirement Benefits Bill 2022, Kenya Gazette Supplement number 6, Machakos County Bill number 4, as stated in Standing Order 116, and that the bill be introduced for the first reading today, 30th March 2022. I invite comments, honorable members, on that motion. Right? Honorable Mutiso? Sorry, Honorable Kingori. I was referring to you as Honorable Mutiso.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I think it's the high time we agree that time is running out and we need to take the little time we have for us to pass the remaining bills, which are many, for us to proceed. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Kingori. Can I call upon the mover of the motion to reply? Honorable Kamito.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Also, I'll also emphasize on the time and the fact that, Madam Speaker, it is also important that as honorable members, we also deserve these retirement benefits because we've been working for the people of Machakos County. So it is on that note that I request honorable members, when time comes, it is for our own benefit, having the knowledge that we also need to be given something at the end of the hard work that we've been doing for our electorate. Otherwise, I stand to say that this is an important bill, and because of time, we should stand as a team to support the bill and pass it as indicated on today's procedural motion. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Kamitu, Minority Leader. Honorable members, I now put the question that this House resolves to waive the publication period for the Machakos County State Offices Retirement Benefits Bill 2022, Kenya Gazette Supplement number 6, Machakos County Bill number 4, as stated in Standing Order number 116, and that the bill be introduced for the first reading today, 30th March 2022. As many as of the opinion say aye. As many as of the contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. Thank you. Mr. Clerk, proceed.
Order number 9, the Machakos County State Officers Retirement Benefits Bill 2022, Kenya Gazette Supplement number 6, Machakos County Bills number 4, first reading.
Can you proceed, Mr. Clerk, and do the first reading of that bill?
The Machakos County State Officers Retirement Benefits Bill 2022.
Thank you. So the bill, honorable members, is committed to the Labor, Public Service and ICT Committee for processing. And it is important that, as I indicated in the earlier regulations, which are to do with the welfare of staff of the county government, it is important that the committee processes this bill the soonest possible, because if it is any payment that is to be effected under the law that is intended, it has to be factored in the 2022-2023 budget, which again you are just about to, actually you've already started processing it. So let us have the committee bring a report to this House not later than 30 days from today. Thank you. Mr. Clerk, proceed.
Order number 10, motion approval of report on the county fiscal strategy paper 2022.
Honorable members, under this order, we have one business by Honorable Dominic Ndambuki. Honorable Ndambuki.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. My name is Honorable Dominic Ndambuki, Chairperson, Budget and Appropriations Committee. Honorable Speaker, that aware that the county fiscal strategy paper informs the county budget proposals for the year and outlines the broad strategic priorities and policy goals that will guide in formulation and implementation of the county budget for the coming year and the medium term. Aware that the county treasury, pursuant to section 117 subsection 1 of PFMA of 2012, is mandated to prepare and forward the county fiscal strategy paper to the County Executive Committee for approval and subsequently submit the approved CFSP to County Assembly by 28th February of each year. Noting that the 2022 Machakos CFSP is the fourth in the county's plan period of 2018 to 2022, and that it was submitted to the County Assembly on 28th February 2022 and was committed to the Committee on Budget and Appropriations on 3rd March 2022. Honorable Speaker, I wish to move the motion that this House discusses and approves the report of the Budget Committee on the County Fiscal Strategy Paper 2022. Honorable Speaker, I call upon Honorable Thomas Mutinda to second.
Thank you. Honorable Mutinda.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Thomas Mutinda, Member of County Assembly, Wamunyu Ward. I'm on the floor to second. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Honorable Dominic, proceed.
Thank you, Speaker. I'm going to read the report of the Budget and Appropriations Committee.
Do you have a summary?
Yes, Madam.
Executive summary.
Yes, Madam.
Yes, proceed.
Madam Speaker, I'm going to give legal basis for preparation of CFSP. Honorable Speaker, the County Treasury, pursuant to Section 117, subsection 1 of the Public Finance Management Act 2012, is mandated to prepare and forward the fiscal strategy paper to the County Executive Committee for approval and subsequently submit the approved CFSP to County Assembly by 28th February of each year. Honorable Speaker, Subsection 5, Section 117 of PFMA provides that in preparing the county fiscal strategy paper, the county treasury shall seek and consider the views of A, Commission on Revenue Allocation, B, the public, C, any interested persons or groups, and D, any other forum that is established by legislation. This CFSP indicates that public participation fora were carried out by the county executive at ward levels in February 2022. It is further indicated that the CFSP was forwarded to the county executive committee for their input before submission to the county assembly. The county assembly conducted public participation by requesting for submission of written memoranda to the office of the assembly clerk. The committee, in preparation of this report, has considered the submissions from the public. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to subsection 6 of section 117 of PFMA, not later than 14 days after submitting the county fiscal strategy paper to the assembly, the county assembly shall consider and may adopt it with or without amendments. The county treasury should publish and publicize the county fiscal strategy paper within 7 days after it has been submitted to the county assembly as provided under section 117, subsection 6.
So the mandate of your committee is set out under 1.1.
Yes, Madam Speaker.
Maybe you read the membership.
Yes, Madam. I'm going to read the membership of the committee
Under
as
1.2.
constituted under Standing Order 186, Suborder 3A.
No, under clause 1.2.
Yeah, sorry, under clause 1.2.
Okay.
Chairperson, Honorable Dominic Ndambuki. Vice Chairperson, Honorable Angela Monyasya. Paul Museku, member. Thomas Mutinda, Honorable Thomas Mutinda, member. Honorable Winfred Mutua, member. Honorable Ikusia Kaloki, member. Honorable Jacqueline Ziva, member. Honorable Moffat Maida, member. Honorable Daniel Mbevi, member. Rationale for the county fiscal strategy paper. Honorable Speaker, CFSP articulates priority socio-economic policies and structural reforms, as well as sectoral expenditure programs to be implemented in the fiscal year of 2022-2023 and in the medium term. This paper, Honorable Speaker, aims to, 1, specify the broad strategic priorities and policy goals that will guide the county government in preparing its budget for the coming financial year and over the medium term. 2, provide linkage with the national objectives in the budget policy statements. 3, provide the financial outlook with respect to county government revenues, expenditures, and borrowing over the medium term. And 4, provide a basis for stakeholder engagement in the formulation and implementation of county priorities and budgeting. Madam Speaker, some of the county strategic objectives and priorities include: 1, under agriculture and cooperative development sector. 1, enhance implementation of quarter-acre program. 2, provide free certified seeds and subsidized fertilizer, free tractor services, training farmers on post-harvest management, establish demo farms in order to enhance agriculture productivity among the smallholder and large-scale farmers. 3, provide high-value crop seeds, fruit trees like mangoes, passion, pawpaw, oranges, grapes, and macadamia, promotion of avocado production, pest and disease management, soil analysis and testing under the quarter and acre program. 4, prioritize pasture and fodder development, goats and sheep production, provision of extension services, free chicks, livestock marketing and sale yard improvement, beekeeping, livestock disease and pest control, zoonotic control, meat inspection, develop strategic vaccine bank, rehabilitate cattle dips and slaughterhouses, enforce veterinary public health standards, enhance disease surveillance and compulsory mass vaccination, and establish strategic reserve for vaccines. 5, promote aquaculture development, fish inspection and quality control. 6, carry out capacity building of cooperative societies. 7, provide linkages for agriculture products. Honorable Speaker, in addition, over the medium term, the cooperative subsector will implement the following programs. 1, promote agriculture-based cooperatives. 2, enhance cooperatives audits. 3, digitize and modernize cooperative societies operations. 4, mainstream women and youth in cooperatives. 5, improve the performance of coffee growing cooperatives through the coffee revitalization program. 6, increase membership into the cooperative movement by registration of new societies. 7, support dairy cooperatives to reduce losses. through storage, value addition, and marketing. 8, support and promote horticultural cooperatives. 9, promote value addition in crops, both in dairy and coffee. 10, establish or enhance cooperative funding to agriculture-based cooperatives. Under health sector, Madam Speaker, this paper aims to achieve highest possible standards of quality healthcare services that are affordable, equitable, accessible, and responsive to client needs. The outbreak and rapid spread of COVID-19 pandemic has overstretched the health sector, and this has necessitated the urgent need for better strategies to achieve universal healthcare. In order to achieve this, the government will, 1, construct and equip Masi Level 4 to decongest Machakos Level 5 Hospital. 2, improve service delivery through adequate provision of health products, supplies, and other utilities. 3, reduce the burden of communicable diseases through sensitization, surveillance, and strengthening of community level 1 health and emergency services. 4, improve health infrastructure through construction and upgrading of health facilities. 5, improve access and demand for essential and specialized health services through purchase of laboratory, specialized medical and dental equipment, and modernization of accident and emergency units. 6, improve reproductive, maternal, newborn child, and adolescent health services, including HIV prevention services. 7, strengthen primary healthcare services. 8, reduce the burden of violence and injuries through adoption of strategies that address each of the causes of injuries and violence. 9, minimize exposure to health risk factors by strengthening interventions that lead to positive health behaviors in the population. 10, strengthen collaboration between health and other sectors that have impact on health. Under energy, infrastructure, and ICT, Madam Speaker, this department, under expansion of roads and transport networks, will undertake the following programs. 1, over the medium term, the government will construct new roads, carry out road maintenance, grade and gravel feeder roads, construct new bridges, carry out pothole patching on paved roads, construct drainage structures, that is culvert, drifts, and gabions, road marking and signage installation on paved roads besides road corridor surveying. 2, further, the county will embark on upgrading and maintaining of existing bus parks and construction of government offices. 2, enhancing access and affordable energy. That is, in collaboration with the national government, the county will enhance rural electrification and distribute more transformers to boost availability of electricity and to sustain demand. In addition, the county will put measures in place to promote sustainable renewable energy by ensuring that all streetlights and Mulika Mwizis in the county are solar powered. Further, to curb insecurity, the Department of Energy will install Mulika Mwizis across all market centers in the county. 3, promotion of the use of ICT. Honorable Speaker, the government is in the process of installing wide area network and telephone IP system. In addition to curb insecurity and enhance ease of doing business over the medium term, the county will enhance CCTV coverage and internet connectivity in the county. Department of Public Administration. Honorable Speaker, the subsector will embark on the following activities. 1, county administration will embark on construction and equipping of sub-county and ward offices, purchase of administration uniform, dump site construction, purchase of communication equipment and purchase of compacting trucks, provision of garbage collection bins. 2, finance department to finalize on the digitization of revenue collection and management, preparation of revenue, financial and budget policy documents. 3, county branding through installation of road signage and gantries, whereby county beautification is prioritized by the County Image Directorate. 4, public service and quality management prioritizes development of performance management system, development and implementation of quality assurance manual, and carry out staff skills development. 5, formation of project management committees, stakeholder engagement through public participation and feedback forums, site verification visits for monitoring and evaluation, and publication of county reports, statistics, and project tracking systems will be prioritized by the Project Delivery Directorate. 6, development of planning documents such as CIDP that will run from 2023 to 2027, ADP plan for 2023-2024, sector plans and annual progress reports for 2021-2022, sector policies, research and economic surveys, which will be undertaken by economic planning section. Madam Speaker, under education, youth and social welfare, this subsector will seek to, one, invest in quality early childhood and development and vocational training through construction of more ECD classes, 2, purchasing and distribution of learning materials, 3, construction and improvement of vocational training institutions, 4, promotion of core curriculum activities in learning institutions. Further, the subsector seeks to strengthen the social safety net and empowering the youth and the women. Honorable Speaker, the county will continue to promote gender, youth, and improve the livelihoods for the vulnerable groups and the people living with disabilities. This will be achieved through 1, awarding bursaries to the needy students, 2, table banking, 3, provision of necessary devices to PLWDS, 4, provision of